Hi, I'm Joe Sutton. I'm an IT manager. I moved here to India 7 months ago. I'm living in Bangalore, Electronic City. I have a problem with my shoulder for many years. It's gotten progressively worse. It's arthritis. I needed to get something done soon. Really, the pain was getting way too much to manage. I did lots of research on different hospitals and doctors in the area and overseas. And I came to Sakra World Hospital. Dr. Banerjee was fabulous. I had my operation yesterday. I did a total shoulder replacement where they replaced the head of the humerus as well as the glenoid joint. And I'm up and about now several hours after the operation. Maybe 24 hours ago I did the operation. I'm on my way home. I'm checking out of the hospital and I look forward to a speedy recovery. My experience here at the hospital, at Sakra World Hospital, has been spectacular. The staff has been very helpful, very knowledgeable, very informative. The facilities is impeccable. I can't get over how clean it is and how nice all the people are. From everyone in the staff has been very helpful and accommodating. And I look forward to having a speedy recovery.